everyone, so today we're going to do a goose hunt. I have my friend from Chase and TJ that are coming along with us. I found a few in the field. I found one off the river. I want to basically traffic them from the river to the field. I think I have maybe 7,000 decoys, and they have 24,000 decoys. So we should have a lot of decoys for the birds might want to come in here. So I mean, it's been hard hunting lately. They've been using a different field every single night, so I just found where they've been getting off the river from, and then we're just going to traffic in from there. So this is a next few clips you guys will see will be from the hunt, and then after this we're going to be jumping ducks. I forgot to film the intro for this, so
is your dog in the butt?
oh, fuck. God damn it.
Hey, we got one going down.
Huh? Get it!
Why'd you pop up? Because the dog bust. Aww. Yeah, I know.
Fucking dog. Did he go down? No, it didn't. Come here. Maggie, come here.
Hey, they're coming back.
Kill him. Stupid fuck. She's never done that.
I'm gonna kill him.
Kill him.
Let him land.
Okay.
No, let him land. There's more.
Oh, right here. Those ducks.
Oh, fuck.
Here, Maggie.
Yeah, you're fucking whacking. I think I saw a leg band on him.
Oh. Fuck. Screw this fine.
Oh, that's a pretty one.
Come on, Maggie, let's go. Come on.
I don't think I did. I think I fucking literally whacked that motherfucker.
Try to take him.
Shoot him. Damn! He's going down.
Oh, maybe. Nope, he's not going down. Oh shit.
Let's let him land. Should we shoot these?
Yeah.
Go! Damn, how many did we get?
Four.
I think. 4?
Yeah.
4, 3 or
Still
4.
pretty good.
They landed, I thought the rest were gonna come. Yeah, oh well. We need to count how many birds we have. Yeah, no shit.
I think we're still a few away.
Oh, you better get that goose.
Oh, stocking all the decoys. Oh,
Oh, there we go. Did we get 3?
we got 4. I think.
Pretty sure we got 4. I only see 2. What? Oh,
No.
neither.
Hey. Hey.
You're not moving. Kill him. I had to because they were getting out of there. Yeah.
Stupid flag kept getting up.
What? Dude, they're going to come back. How many did we get out of them?
4.
4?
Yeah.
Did we really? I think we only got 3.
I did. 3 or 4. Let's go, Mike. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Kennel. Kennel. Mike, let's go. Come on. Over here. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Over here. Come on. Kennel. There you go.
These birds are locked. Shoot him! Woohoo! 2 going down.
Here, Mike. Get it.
The fucking gun keeps fucking jamming.
Oh, shit. I don't want to go after that those. I said we go after those.
We're gonna go get those 267. I want to finish.
Kennel. Over here. Hey. Kennel.
Yeah, I'm gassing. Whoa. You ain't about that action. No. Yeah.
How's it going, everyone? So today we're gonna do another jumping duck hunt. We're probably just gonna jump ducks. There's not many. All the geese moved out back to the river. They were on the river, not on the river. They were on the creek because the river froze, and so they moved to the creek. And now they moved back since the river has unfroze, and it is 61 degrees outside. But there's a good wind out, so hopefully we'll get some ducks down there, down by the waterfalls. We haven't jumped that in, I don't know, a week and a half or so. So hopefully there's some birds down there. This is another video on another day. I'm gonna tie this video into a video you guys just saw. Previous clips of us shooting 37 birds. We shot 37 with Chase and TJ from Kansas Band Collectors down in El Dorado. They came up here. They were under the river, I think just west of us, and they didn't get anything, so they came down here and we trafficked all the birds and we shot 37. And I jumped the snow geese field and it had 13 snow geese in it. Or I shot 13 snow geese. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and then we're gonna try to shoot some ducks.
Stop it.
Oh shit, I got one. Nope. So this video is gonna all be me right here talking. The beginning, the middle of the video where we shot the ducks, or I haven't shot the ducks yet, but we're going to shoot the ducks, and the end of the video where I am right here now. So I have a new schedule time, which will be every Monday and every Thursday at 3 p.m. Central Time. That way, when everyone gets out of school, because I know most people that will watch me go to school, so when they get out of school they can watch it. And then, so 3 p.m. every Monday and every Thursday Central Time. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.
I like the guagua part. Hey, you see, yeah, you hear them diamonds, bitch. You hear them diamonds, bitch. I'm worth 45 million. Yeah. Me and G together, we worth 300 million. Yeah. He got more money than me. Cause you